guys, I accidentally forgot to show you my bathroom. This is our bathroom so far. In a nice tub and relaxing thing. And the toilet, nasty, no, don't look at that. And the sink. That's my toothbrush. And luckily, we are just going to, I forgot to show y'all something. The laundry area. Before that, forgot about this. So we're just going to take a look at this. So that's our old coffee machine we had in our apartment. And our old apartment, but we're not at it. And we're just looking in here, and that's how I want to look. Never mind, I can't look, so just gotta shut this for now. And here we go, camera. So far, thing. So far, my friend family's thing. Okay. There's something missing right here. It's something that I bought on Amazon. And this is our plates. Up here are plates. And our another plates. So far, I forgot to show y'all the trash can went. By the way, I forgot to show y'all my fridge, by the way. My fridge. So far, a thing up here. A thing right here. So I think this is it for the video today. So far, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you on the next video. Where's the camera? Where is the camera?